I never understood the connection between the land and the people. It's ironic that my life before Canada was so distinctly related to the land. I just never saw my own connection until it was lost. I moved to Canada from South Africa and saw how much I would be gaining in life. As my dad got a job here, the prospect of opportunity was inviting and seductive. Even prior to when I was born, my mother always dreamed of moving to Canada. However, caught up in daydreaming, I didn't take the time to think on what I would lose in my day-to-day lifestyle. My days of playing soccer barefoot were numbered, and the life of taking a dip in the pool on a hot day was nearing an abrupt end. How could I know my life would be so different? I had grown up accepting some things as fact. It was true and natural. My enjoyment of the land was as unchanging as the blueness of the sky. These were the days of my innocence. We moved to Canada, and life was glorious. Then, the feeling of vacation wore off, and the realness of life in Canada had set in. It was nothing but snow and ice for all I could see. My feet would have to wait 6 months before they were reunited with the grass. The land I had used as an escape from the worldly problems, the land that had taught me so much in life, was gone. This land would start becoming my home, slowly and surely. Life becomes routine in a way. I cannot begin to understand the pain of having the land I lived in my whole life being stripped away from me, as the indigenous people had. I recognize the fact that I am sharing this land with many other peoples, and acknowledge that before me this land belonged to the Siksika, Kainai, Pikani, and Amskapi Pikani. I will work to preserving this land just as the people who lived on it before me did. Turtle Island is home to all who live here, and it belongs to no one and everyone equally. It is a land settlers inhabit and shared with us by the many indigenous people. Honoring and acknowledging this balance is the first step towards a harmonious society. This land gives and should be enjoyed by all and owned by none. I am on Treaty 7 territory.